How to replace a broken laptop speaker. For example, I have a laptop speaker here whose diaphragm is broken and this is producing a cranky or cracking sound when playing music or any video files. So luckily you can easily get it replaced. You can find a compatible replacement speaker for your laptop model online. For example, I have this from Amazon. So if you are in need of a replacement, you can go to Amazon, find a laptop replacement for your specific make and model, and you can buy anyone with good reviews. You can easily detach the existing speakers and replace with the new one. This is the new one that I have bought from Amazon. It is quite cheap. So the laptop speaker connectors resides just below the battery, so I need to detach the battery and get it replaced.
A few moments later.
Alright, I have replaced it and time for sound check. So I'm playing an audio file from YouTube audio library and I'm quite happy with the sound output. So yeah, if you have an issue with your laptop speaker, then just get it replaced by finding a compatible one.